we're going to Iriga City today. It'll be our first trip with Penelope since she's been home, so it's going to be good practice for us. It's something that we have to do as much as we can because we want to go traveling. Once she starts getting older and older, we want to do a lot of traveling. It's a lot easier to travel, in my opinion, by yourself. So when you're traveling with a newborn and a baby and some kids, it's a whole new ball game. So anyways, we're going to Iriga City today. You excited? Like right here. So I don't know if you guys know about the placenta burial, but depending on which country you're from, there's new meanings and traditions. In the Philippines, it basically means that you are celebrating the childbirth. Also, the Filipinos believe, in what I read, is that if you bury the placenta with books, then you may have a smart baby. So whatever you believe in, it kind of all depends on like where you are from. Arlene's mom actually buried it on their land. They've been on this land for over 30 plus years here in Antipolo, here in the Philippines. But here it is. We're gonna get ready to go to Iriga City. You can hear the chickens all over the place, but we're gonna get ready for Iriga City. The first challenge is remembering how to put the car seat in the car. Taking Pippa a bath real quick.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole.
Finally got the car seat in. So one thing here in the Philippines, I'm not quite sure, but I don't really think that they require car seats for babies in their cars. But the fact that Penelope is going to be a dual citizen of the Philippines and of the United States, Arlene and I wanted to make sure that we follow by the US standards. So even though we're in the Philippines, I decided that we're gonna kind of stick to the US standards. That way, you know, Arlene and also Penelope, as she grows up, that will be the standards that she follows. And again, this is just kind of like what we decided to do. I've been in the Philippines for some time now, back and forth, and I've seen babies on motor scooters, motorcycles, tricycles, bicycles, all without like a helmet and car seats. While that might be okay here in the Philippines, I'm not going to judge. It's something that I'm not comfortable with, so we're going to be using a car seat here in the Philippines.
Rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road.
So Dio is like one of our neighbors' kids. You can get that. And what do the girls want? Which one, Leica? Okay, get that one. Baby Jean, what do you want? You want the same thing? Go ahead and get that, Leica. There's different ones back there. Oh yeah. You want that one? Yeah. Oh yeah, nice. Close in on your nostrils. We're eating at Graceland. So everyone's here, right, waiting for their food. She's not sitting with us because it's cold over here. How was your first trip with Penelope?
Good. Okay lang.
Okay lang. We're gonna have an early dinner. After this, we go straight home.